Right, we've got the Dometic 274 litre fridge here, and if you ever have any dramas with water filling up inside the salad crispers here in the trays, we get it every now and then, it fills up with water. Sometimes it'll come out here as well, and if it's really coming out, it'll actually come down the seals and run down onto the floor. So the trick for this to fix it is on the back of your fridge there'll be a drain tube, and that's to stop the fridge condensates, gets all water that runs down here, and it'll collect in here and go down the tube out back of the fridge into a little condensation pot, which will evaporate over time. So yeah, as you can see here, there's water in it, so it means this tube's blocked. So get something small, put in there, whether it be a cotton bud or something like that, or a bit of a coat hanger or something, just to free up any blockage that's in there. So we'll give that a go. And down goes the water. Good stuff. Hopefully that helps.